Come on students, now we'll continue the problems on overheads. So far we have completed 9 short questions, short problems on overheads. So expect that the viewers are regular in watching all my videos. So I have given the complete explanation regarding overheads. I have explained and we have solved in 1 or 2 videos. I have given the short problems, 9 short problems I have already given. So if you are watching regularly, then definitely you have got a good command on this topic of overheads. So if you are new to my channel, first time if you are visiting, go to the playlist. You can get many more videos on different subjects of graduation and post-graduation subjects. So you select your concerned subject and watch the video till the end to get maximum benefit from these lectures. So before starting the video, I expect my viewers to have a printout of all the problems which I have given in the link under my description. So keep the problems ready. Now we'll start the problem. Problem number 10. From the following, calculate the machine hour rate. Remember, machine hour rate means expenditure incurred to run the machine for 1 hour. So here cost of the machine 58,000, scrap value 3,000, life of the machine 20,000 hours. When the life is given in hours, we treat the depreciation as variable expense or machine expense. Then running time per month 180 hours. Maintenance over the life of the machine 12,000 rupees. Fixed expenses per month is 200. And power used by the machine is rupee 1 per hour. And rent rates etc. per month is 1,500, 10% to be charged to this machine. See here, in the theory video, first video on overheads, I have explained you how to calculate the machine hour rate. So for calculating machine hour rate, all the expenses, operating expenses of the machine will be divided into 2 categories. Fixed or standing charges and variable or machine expenses. The fixed expenses will be calculated for the period. The period may be month or year. Then after calculating for that period, we divide by number of hours the machine is used in that period. We'll get fixed expenses per hour. Then for variable or machine expenses, we calculate per hour for each element of cost. For every element of cost, we calculate per hour. That is the procedure of calculating the machine hour rate. Now I am coming to our problem. Problem number 10, calculation of machine hour rate. First column per month, second column per hour. So first we'll take fixed or standing charges. The fixed expenses are given in the problem 200 per month. It is directly given, fixed expenses per month. Rent rates etc. per month, that is also fixed one only. Rent rates will also be treated as fixed expenses. So per month it is given 150. How 150? For the whole department it is 1,500 and 10% should be allocated to this machine. It is given in the problem. Specified in the problem, 10% should be allocated to this machine. So 1500 into 10%, 150 rupees is the rent and rates. Take the total of the fixed expenses, 350 rupees is the total fixed expenses for 1 month. Total fixed expenses for 1 month. And running time per month it is given in the problem 180 rupees, 180 hours. So 350 rupees total fixed expenses, 180 are the hours in 1 month. Then fixed expenses per hour. So divide it, 350 rupees divided by 180 hours will get 1.94, 1 rupee 94 paisa. This is the fixed expenses per hour. Now we'll find out variable or machine expenses. Depreciation. Depreciation formula is cost minus scrap divided by life. Cost of the machine minus scrap, estimated scrap value of the machine divided by estimated life of the machine. The life is given in hours. The whole life of the machine is 20,000 hours. So cost 58,000, scrap value 3,000 divided by 20,000 hours. Then we'll get depreciation per hour. Depreciation per hour, it comes to 2 rupees 75 paise. Then maintenance. Maintenance for the life of the machine is given 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees is the maintenance cost for the whole life of the machine. And the life of the machine is 20,000 hours. So 12,000 divided by 20,000 per hour maintenance, it comes to 0.60. Power per hour, it is given directly in the problem. Per hour consumption on the machine is 1 rupee. Now take the total of these 4 amounts, we get machine hour rate 6 rupee 29 paisa. It means to run the machine for 1 hour, it requires 6 rupee 29 paisa. This is the machine hour rate. Now see the 11th problem. Problem number 11. This is the last short problem. After this we'll go to the long problem, main problems. So prepare a machine hour rate to cover the overhead expenses given below. Again we are required to calculate the machine hour rate. Electric power rupees 0.75 per hour. So electric power will be taken under machine expenses, that is variable expenses. Steam 10 paisa 0.10 per hour. This is also variable or running expense. Water 0.02 per hour. Again it will be taken under variable or machine expenses. Then repairs are 530. So normally we take the repair as machine expenses. If it is specified in the problem that repair are compulsorily to be incurred every year, whether repair is required or not, then we can treat it as fixed. But nothing is given. We treat the repair as variable expenses. So 530 rupees per annum. We'll see how many hours the machine runs per annum. Rent 270 per annum. This will always be treated as fixed or standing charges. Original cost of the machine is 12,500 rupees. Original cost of the machine is 12,500. The cost of the machine is given to calculate the depreciation. For calculating depreciation, we need cost of the machine. Running hours during the year 2000. Running time of the machine every year 2000 hours. And depreciation is 7.5% per annum on the original cost. When depreciation is given on original cost, it is called straight line method. So under straight line method, the depreciation is a fixed amount. So it will be taken under standing charges. Previous problem we have taken depreciation under variable expenses because the life of the machine was given in hours. That's why we have taken in variable. In this problem, the depreciation is given as 7.5% on original cost. So we have to treat depreciation as a fixed or standing charges. That's it. Now see the solution. Calculation of machine hour rate, fixed or standing charges. Rent is given 270 per annum. Depreciation 7.5% of the original cost. The original cost is 12,500 into 7.5%. 937.5 is the depreciation per annum for 1 year. Total fixed expenses per annum. Per annum means for 12 months, for 1 year. The total is 1,207.5. And running time during the year is 2000 given in the problem. तो एक साल में 2000 घंटे मशीन चल रहा है और एक साल में 1207.5 is the fixed expenditure. Now per hour कितना होगा? Fixed expenses per hour 1207.5 divided by 2000, it comes to 0.604. This is the fixed expenses per hour. Now we take variable or machine expenses. Directly given electric power, directly given in the problem per hour 0.75. Steam given in the problem 0.10 per hour. Water 0.02 per hour given in the problem. Repairs are given 530 rupees per annum. एक साल में 530 rupees maintenance है, repairs है. Now these repairs will be divided by number of working hours per annum. How many working hours per annum? 2000. So 530 divided by 2000, you get 0.265. This is the repair and maintenance per hour. Now take the total of the these expenses. We'll get machine hour rate 1.739, or we can say 1.74. That's all. This is the end of problem number 11. So total 11 short problems we have completed. So now we have to start the main problems. Come on, now we'll start the main problems on cost accounting. 11 problems we have done on overhead, short problems. Now we will start the main long problems on overhead, that is allocation and absorption of overheads. Now, first problem. See the first main problem I am reading out. The modern company has 4 departments. A, B, C are the production departments and D is the service department. So this company is having 3 production departments A, B, C and 1 service department D. The actual cost for a period are as follows. So actual costs are given: indirect material production department A 950, B 1200, C 200 and service department D is 1500. Whereas indirect wages are given production department A 900, B 1100, C 300 and servicing department D is 1000. See here, this indirect material and indirect wages are given for all the departments separately. So we have to charge the concerned expenditure to the concerned department. So there is no need of any apportionment. Allocation we have to make. Allocation and apportion, what is the difference? Allocation means specifically charging the specific head to the particular department. Whereas apportionment means a common expenditure to be divided among all the departments on some suitable basis. So here indirect material and indirect wages are separately given for every department. So we'll take in the respective department indirect material and indirect wages. Now apart from that, the other overheads are rent to 2000 rupees. Now this 2000 rupees total rent should be apportioned between A, B, C and D department. All the 4 departments we have to apportion. On what basis we will decide? Then repairs 1200 rupees, depreciation 900, light 200, supervision 3000, insurance stock 1000 and employees insurance, employees liability 300 and power 1800. These are the common expenses. So we are required to apportion this common expenditure by using some basis. The information given in the problem is the following data is also available in respect of 4 departments. The information is given regarding the 4 departments. By using this information, we apportion the common cost. Area is given in square feet 150, 110, 90 and 50 for the 4 departments. Number of workers are given in each department 24, 16, 12, 8. Total wages are given in each department 8,000, 6,000, 4,000, 2,000. Value of plant is given 24,000, 18,000, 12,000, 6,000. Value of stock is given 15,000, 9,000, 8,000. Apportion the above cost to various departments on most equitable method. It has not given in the problem that which overhead should be apportioned on what basis. That is not given in the problem. We have to decide. Logically, we have to decide which expenditure is related to which information. First, we will decide about rent. Rent is 2000. We know the rent is directly related with the area. More area, more rent, less area, less rent. So there is relationship between rent and area. So the rent will be apportioned in the ratio of area. Similarly, repairs. Repairs will be done to plant and machinery. There is relationship between repairs and plant. Higher is the value of the plant, more is the repair charges. So we divide the repairs in the ratio of value of plant. Then depreciation. This depreciation is on again plant and machinery. So depreciation will be apportioned on the basis of plant and machinery, value of plant. Lighting 200. Light 200. The lighting charges will be apportioned on the basis of light points in each department. But in our problem, light points are not given in the information. So the alternative method is area. Larger the area, more light points are required. So there is relationship between lighting and area. So light charges will be apportioned on the basis of area. Similarly, supervision. The supervisor will supervise the workers, the employees. The supervision expenditure will be apportioned on the basis of number of employees or number of workers. Then insurance, stock. Insurance in bracket it is given stock. That means insurance is taken on stock. So it is obvious the insurance will be divided in the ratio of value of stock in each department. Then employees insurance, employers liability. Employees insurance. Insurance will be paid by the employer on the life of the employees. So again it will be divided in the ratio of number of workers. Last one, power. The power is the current which is used to run the machinery. So power will be apportioned in the ratio of value of plant. So I have given the explanation regarding how to apportion, on what basis we have to apportion every overhead among all the departments I have explained. Now the presentation. What is the solution presentation will be given here. Now you see carefully how I have presented. Primary distribution. Primary distribution means allocation and apportionment of overheads among all departments, production as well as service department. So allocation and apportionment of overheads. Last one service department D. 3 production departments A, B, C. Then total, basis of apportionment, overheads, serial number. So serial number first we take, then overheads. Which are the overheads? Basis of apportionment. On what basis we will apportion? Then we'll take the total column. Then 3 production departments A, B, C and 1 service department D. This is the format of the overhead summary sheet. This is the overhead summary. Now first we'll take indirect material. Indirect material is given specifically for each department separately. No need of any apportionment. So there is allocation. There is no apportionment, there is allocation. So specifically it is given 950 for A, 1200 for B, 200 for C and D 1500. We have taken the total of these, it comes to 3850. Second, indirect wages. Again we'll make allocation because specific amounts are given for A, B, C, D. So specifically amounts are given 900, 1100, 300, 1000. The total comes to 3300. 2 items are over allocation. Now remaining items we have to apportion among all departments on some basis. So the third one is rent. I already told you there is a relationship between rent and area. So we divide the rent of 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees are given in the problem. Basis of apportionment is area. So we have taken the ratio of area. It is given in the problem. The area is given in the problem as 15 is to 150 is to 110 is to 90 is to 50. 10 I have removed. So it will become 15 is to 11 is to 9 is to 5. 15 is to 11 is to 9 is to 5. 11 plus 9, 20, 30, 40. So 15 by 40. 2000 into 15 by 40. You will get 750. 2000 into 11 by 40. 550. 2000 into 9 by 40. 450. 2000 into 5 by 40. 250. We are apportioning 2000 in this ratio. Take the total of this 15 plus 11 plus 9 plus 5, 20, 30, 40. The total comes to 40. So 15 by 40, 11 by 40, 9 by 40, 5 by 40 of 2000. We got them. Repairs. I told you repair is made on plant and machinery. The appropriate better method is value of plant. The value of plant is given in the problem 24,000, 18,000, 12,000, 6,000. I have removed 3 zeros. So it will become 24 is to 6, 18 is to 12 is to 6. Again I can simplify because it is divisible by 6. All the values are divisible by 6. So 24 by 6, 4. 18 by 6, 3. 12 by 6, 2. 6 by 6, 1. So 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Total comes to 10. So 1200 into 4 by 10, 480. 1200 into 3 by 10, 360. 1200 into 2 by 10, 240. 1200 into 1 by 10, 120. Apportioned. Now depreciation. Again there is a relationship between depreciation and value of plant because depreciation is made of plant and machinery. Total depreciation 900. Again value of plant same 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. What we have written here. 900 into 4 by 10 360. 900 into 3 by 10 270. 900 2 by 10 180. 900 1 by 10 90. Light charges. Light charges 200 rupees on the basis of area. There is relationship between lighting and area. So area already we know 15, 11, 9, 5, 40. So 200 into 15 by 40. 200 into 11 by 40. 200 into 9 by 40. 200 into 5 by 40. Supervision. The supervisor will supervise the workers. So supervision charges of 3000 will be divided in the number of workers. The number of workers are given in the problem as 24, 16, 12, 8. These are the numbers given. Number of workers are given in the problem. It is divisible by 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 4 are 16, 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8. So 6 is to 4 is to 3 is to 2. So 15. If you add up 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, 15. 3000 into 6 by 15, 1200. 3004 by 15, 800. 3012 by 15, 600. 3000 into 3 by 15. 3000 into 2 by 15, 400. Divided. Even if you add up these 4 amounts, you should get 3000. Verify yourself. After dividing, you add up the 4 amounts, you should get the total 300 for every case. Then your calculations are correct. Insurance stock. Value of stock is given in the problem as 15 is to 9 is to 6. 15 is to 9 is to 6. तो 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 5 is to 3 is to 2. So 5 by 10, 1000 into 5 by 10, 1000 into 3 by 10, 1000 into 2 by 10. There is no stock in D department. There is no value of stock in D department. So put a dash. Only in 3 departments we are distributing. Employees insurance, employers liability, it is given 300 rupees. Now it is based on number of workers. Number of workers already we have taken here. Here it is 6432. 6432. So 300 into 6 by 15. Then 300 into 4 by 15. 300 into 3 by 15. 2 by 15. Then last one is power. Power will be distributed on the value of plant. So value of plant 4321. So 1800 into 4 by 10. 3 by 10. 2 by 10. 1 by 10. We'll get these values. Now take the total. First of all, we'll take the total of A column. A column 6055, B column 52755, C column 2635, D column 3605. These are the total overheads for all the 4 departments, A, B, C and D. Now cross verify. Find the total of totals. This total column ka total kariye, you will get 17,550. Now verify whether your calculations are correct or not by adding up these 4 items. Vertically, if you take the total, you must get 17,550. Horizontally also, if you add up these 4 amount, you should get 17,550. In this way, we can make cross verification of our calculations. If we commit any mistake in calculations, definitely this will not tally. The vertical total and horizontal total will not tally. In our problem, it is tallied. That's why we have not committed any mistake. The total vertically 17,550. Horizontally also, if you add up these 4 amount, you should get 17,550. That's it. This is the very first problem, main problem on overheads, allocation and apportionment of overheads. Now see the second problem. A factory has 2 production departments and 2 service departments, totally 4 departments, 2 plus 2. The following figures have been extracted from the books of the respective departments. Production department AB, service department CD, totally 4 departments. Information is given area in square meters. So 1500, 1100, 900, 500. Number of employees are 40, 30, 20, 10. Total wages 8,000, 6,000, 3,000, 3,000. Value of plant is given 16,000, 12,000, 8,000, 4,000. Value of stock is 25,000, 15,000. Lighting units is 5,000, 3,000, 1,500, 500. This is the information given for making use for apportionment. Apportionment करने के लिए ये information दे दिया. अब overheads क्या है? Now it is given. The following figures of actual cost were taken from the financial books. Supervision 3,000. Now here you have to apply your logic. Already one problem we have seen. What are the bases on which we have distributed the overheads? Now here also. Supervision 3,000. We know already in the previous problem we have distributed. Supervision, there is a relationship between supervision and number of workers. So here supervision 3,000 will be distributed in the ratio of number of employees. Second, repairs to plant and machinery. The repairs to plant and machinery will be distributed in the ratio of value of plant, just like the previous problem. Then lighting 1,000. Total lighting charges are 1,000. In the previous problem, we have distributed lighting on the basis of area because light points were not given in the previous problem. In this problem, area is also given, light points are also given. So first we prefer light points. If light points are not given, we'll go for area. So here light points are given, lighting units are given. So on the basis of lighting units, we distribute light. Employers' contribution to ESI. Employers' contribution to ESI, Employee State Insurance. ESI stands for Employee State Insurance. So this employers' contribution to ESI will be apportioned in the ratio of number of workers. Rent, already we know, very clear, rent will be apportioned on the basis of area. Then depreciation of plant, again value of plant. Then insurance, in bracket it is given stock, the value of stock. Then power 1,000 is given on the basis of value of plant. Higher the bigger the plant, more power consumption. Canteen expenses, number of workers, employees. Apportion the above cost to various departments on most equitable basis and draw a overhead analysis sheet. You are required to prepare an overhead analysis sheet. This is the overhead analysis sheet. Second problem, overhead analysis sheet, allocation and apportionment of overheads. The first column is serial number column. I have not written it, I will write now. Serial number. Second, overheads. Which are the overheads we are taking in the second column? Then basis of apportionment. On what basis we are going to apportion the overheads? Next, total column. Next one is production departments A and B, service departments C and D. This is the format of overhead analysis sheet. First item, supervision. Supervision total is given 3,000. Number of employees. On the basis of number of employees, we are dividing the supervision. Number of employees are 4:3:2:1. So 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3,000 into 4 by 10, you will get 1200. 3,000, 3 by 10, 900. 3,000, 2 by 10, 600. 3,000, 1 by 10, 300. That's it. We have apportioned supervision. Repairs to plant and machinery is given 1200 rupees. This will be apportioned on the basis of value of plant. The value of plant is 16, 12, 8, 4. All are divisible by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. So we divide 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 by 10. 1200 into 4 by 10, 480. 1200 into 3 by 10, 360. 1200 into 2 by 10, 240. 1200 into 1 by 10, 120. Over. Next one is light. Light is given 1000 and we are given the light units in each department. For each department. It is 50:30:15:5. So it is divisible by 5. 5 10s are 50, 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So 10 plus 6, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1000 into 10 by 20. 1000 into 6 by 20. 1000 into 5 by 20. 1000 into 1 by 20. We got it. Next come employers' contribution to ESI. Employee state insurance. Number of employees. Number of employees are 4:3:2:1. Here we have taken. So 200 into 4 by 10, 200 into 3 by 10, 200 into 2 by 10, 200 into 1 by 10. Rent, area, 15:11:9:5. Given information is given in the problem regarding the area. So here 15 plus 11, 10, 20, 11 plus 9 is 20, 30, 40. So 800 into 15 by 40. 800 into 11 by 40, 800 into 9 by 40, 800 into 5 by 40. Depreciation of plant 2000 given. Now value of plant 4:3:2:1. 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10, 1 by 10. Then insurance stock, value of stock. The stock is there only in the case of production department A and B. There is no stock in C and D. So only in two departments we apportion. 25:15, 5:3. 800 into 5 by 8, 800 into 3 by 8. 500, 300. Then power, value of plant 4:3:2:1. 1000 given. So 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10, 1 by 10. Canteen expense, number of employees 100 rupees. 4:3:2:1. Take the total. A, B, C, D. First you find out the total of A, B, C, D. You are getting 4,300, 3,070, 1,830, 900. Right? Now you take the total of total column. Total of total column. So total of total column is 10,100. Now cross verify whether we have done correctly or not. Add up these four amounts, you should get 10,100. So vertically as well as horizontally, the total should be 10,100. That's it. So we have completed problem number 2. Hope you understood the concept of allocation and apportionment. I have explained you in detail. If you are unable to understand it, rewind the video again, watch it. Definitely you can get a good comment. So don't think only passing the examination as your narrow objective. You watch the video, you try to understand the concepts, how to solve the problem in order to get the knowledge. For that purpose, you watch it seriously with full concentration. So if you are satisfied with my lecture, give a like to the video, share it in your group and subscribe my channel.